Dr. Goldsmith here. We are here with another recent Jiffy graduate, if you will.
Yes.
Miss Brenda had surgery about 3 weeks ago. And your knee is looking beautiful.
Yes.
You're making it nice and straight, I see.
Yes.
And you're bending it almost to 100 degrees, you said, in therapy, right?
Yes, 97.
97. So tell us, what you were like before the surgery. Like, how were you walking and getting around?
Very stiff-legged, very painful, no moving at all. Couldn't do any housework, couldn't do anything. Very painful to get in and out of the car, going down my steps at home. Very just pain all the time.
And so here we are, just 3 weeks out. You're doing therapy. How does your knee compare only 3 weeks out to all of that?
Oh, godly. Oh my gosh, it's so wonderful. I couldn't believe this could ever happen to me. That I got my knee back and I can walk. I can just do anything I want now. It's getting to the point that I can just stand and do my dishes now. If I want, I can take a shower by myself. I can dress myself. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy.
That is wonderful. We have a lot of dishes at our house, so we may be calling you to come
Yes,
over
okay.
to do that. So.
That's okay. I will come do them.
And your overall experience just with our staff and the surgery center was a nice experience?
100%. Love this place. They will take care of you. They would watch over you. I can't say enough about this clinic. And the doctors are wonderful. They make 100% from the time you sign up to the time you finish. They are with you. And everyone here is so beautiful, so precious, so wonderful.
And you're going next door to our physical therapy too, right?
Yes.
Tell us about Dennis.
Dennis is great. He is a character, I'm telling you. And the best part of it really is the ice machine. I tell him that. I love it. You should start with that and finish with that.
That's
and
wonderful.
he laughs at me. But they are great. They make sure that you get what you need and they listen to you. And he tries to help you out there where if you're sore here or here, he works on that area and he makes sure that you get it done that day.
Well,
Yes.
we are so happy for you. You're just at the beginning, too. It's only going to get better. So,
I can't imagine.
Well,
I just can't imagine.
we may
what is
follow you
going
along
on.
with therapy.
Yes.
And we're going to see you in a couple more months, and we can't wait to see how great you're doing.
Oh, I'm going to be running through these halls. I know it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.